Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new website to earn money. This website is called microworkers. First you have to make an account. You have to click on register, then fill all the information and your name, middle name, last name, all this information, and you have to register with your email and you have to verify your email. So I have created my account already, so I have to log in. So here I have logged in my account. So this website is a genuine paying website, and it pays really good amounts for every tax. So here you can see a number of several tasks you can complete and earn a lot of money. These are all simple tasks. Here are jobs, higher group jobs, and all the features here. So jobs are like you have to sign up and give proof, collect data, create Gmail account, Bing search, Facebook sign up, Facebook create account, YouTube watch, like and subscribe, YouTube boost, YouTube create account, article rating, rate and review apps on Play Store, App Store, and many more tasks like this. So there are a number of tasks daily. A lot of people are doing it. Here you can see a lot of people are already accepted these tasks and are paid. So here also a lot of number of people have done the task and completed it. So here there is no absence or no lack of tasks. There are plenty of tasks. Also here you can see the best workers who have earned a lot of money from this website. See, here you can see that this worker name member from this country has earned $10. And here you can see this guy from Indonesia earned a total amount of $3,241. This one $1,800, this one $5,300, so on. This guy have $23,000. Oh my god, from United States. This is the highest or what? So you can see here people are earning in thousands and thousands of dollars. So here you can choose the category for doing the tax, and this will show all the things. Also here the withdrawal process is also very much simple and easy. And first, but you have to verify the KYC verification, and after that is completed and approved, then you can withdraw all the money to your account. Also you can refer your friend and on percentage of their earnings. So to refer your friend, you have to go to account section and you have to check your referral code and share with them, and so that they can sign up with the referral code, and you will get the percentage. So here are the many tags, and the most paying one So here are a lot of number of tasks you can earn money from. The main paying ones are the sign up ones that pays a huge amount of track huge amount of money for the simple tasks. And the second one are like creating a Gmail account. See here, you can see creating a Gmail account will provide you 50 cents. So it's easy and simple tasks, can be done in 2 minutes only. Also like this one, increasing the engagement on the people's page, websites page, downloading apps and rating the apps and upvoting and posting comments and so on. Also you can choose from options here that most paying. So most paying ones are these, the sequence wise top to bottom. So like this one, and also you can deposit and run your own campaign or ads to advertise and promote your products, websites, anything. Also you can do a number of things from these websites. So yeah, these are the works and tasks by which you can earn easy up. So I have done some tasks and earned easy some dollar and some cents. So yeah, you guys can also do all the tasks and complete all the works and earn easy money from this website. This website is legit and it pays real money, so you don't have to worry about this. Everything is legit. It provides PayPal, Payno, and in different modes of withdrawal. So if you guys have any questions in mind, you can ask me, comment on the video, like the video and share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.